Hello guys, welcome to GetHub, where you get everything for free. Absolutely for free. And today's video is on how to get a free Netflix account. Free Netflix account. You don't have to pay anything, no credit card needed, nothing needed. Just tap in and watch. So let's start. First, you have to open the Google Chrome and you search for Hola VPN. Search for Hola VPN. You can download it from any of these sites, but if you actually want it for free, you have to download it from this one. And bear in mind, this app is not available on the App Store, the Play Store, or anywhere. On the App Store, it's there, but it's not for free. With that one, it's not for free, it's assured. But if you get it from Chrome, from this link, it's for free. So let me click on download. Let's see the details, and let's wait for this APK to download. You have to wait for it to download, and there will be like it's harmful and those stars, but I'm showing it's not harmful. They don't want you to be getting stars for free. That's their mindset. It's not harmful in any way, and this can actually help you to get a free Netflix. Watch it for free anytime, any day. All you have to do is just follow my steps, stay tuned, and please don't miss any step. If you really want to get a free Netflix account, don't miss any step. And the most important thing is you get to create your own account with your own email. Get to create your own account with your own email. So please don't miss it. Let's wait for it to download. And please bear in mind, if you want to be watching it day and day, because this is for free, it's a one-day trial. So if you indeed want to be watching it for free every day, based on every day, you have to stay tuned and watch it. Stay tuned to the video and watch to the end. Let me show you the trick. Click on it. Install. You see, this app can collect data that you could be used to track you. That's a lie. You click on install anyway, because it has been blocked by Play Protect. That's why they are doing this. Now let's open it. We are done. Okay, so now you have to come back to your, if you already have a Netflix app here, you can click on it, go to app information and clear the storage, which is very, very important. You have to clear the storage, clear the data. Okay, exam cleared. Now you open the app. I agree. Now you click on Netflix. You have to select Vietnam, because that's where you get it for free. You have to select Vietnam or Kenya, but I prefer you try with Vietnam. Now it's free, limited time per day, which means you can watch it based on the day. So anytime you want to get it back, you have to stay tuned. Let's continue. You have to allow permissions to display over other apps. Click on it again. Okay. And hooray, this is it. And because I have an account already, I've already tried this already, I'll just log in to prove to you guys this really works. I'll just log in. But if you haven't created an account already, you have to click on the start a free trial. It will come. If you don't have an account, you click on the start a free trial. You click on that one rather. Then you enter your newly created Gmail. Please use a newly created Gmail. I can click on any of these. And this is it. This is the interface. But if you don't have an account there, if you don't have an account, what you're supposed to do is just enter the newly created email, click on create account, and enter a password for it. And the two-box search, which will be down, you click on it. After you're done clicking on it, click on create account. 3 images will be brought. You select any of the 3, and boom, this is it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the video, and let me see your comments in the comment section if you had any challenges. Don't forget to also like and share it to your friends if you want them to also enjoy the free Netflix. Thanks very much. GetHub, where you get everything for free.